In this video, I will show you an in-depth review of EngageBay and whether it's a good option for sales and marketing in 2024. For your convenience, the link of EngageBay is in the description below so you can try it out. EngageBay is an all-in-one marketing and sales platform that offers a wide range of features to help businesses grow. From CRM to marketing automation, EngageBay aims to provide a comprehensive solution for managing customer relationships and driving sales. EngageBay offers a variety of features designed to streamline your sales and marketing efforts. These include CRM tools to manage customer interactions, email marketing to reach your audience, and marketing automation to streamline your campaigns. Additionally, EngageBay offers a free plan for those just starting. So, is EngageBay good for sales and marketing in 2024? Overall, EngageBay is a solid option for businesses looking for an all-in-one solution. Its combination of CRM, marketing automation, and other features make it a versatile tool for managing customer relationships and driving sales. Click the link in the description to try EngageBay for free.